Hello everyone. Today's video we are going to look how we can predict stock price through market capitalization. Okay. As you are a beginner, this video will be very helpful for you. If you are a first time user, in a sense, you can subscribe the channel and keep on watch. Okay. So for the beginners, if you're entering into a stock market, you should know the first initial step to know the market capitalization. Okay. Before you're going to invest in your money. That is what we are going to look in this video. What are the websites will be available to predict for market capitalization, and how we can judge for which is belong to micro capital and small capital and large capital sector, as well as for medium capital structure. These are all those things we are look in this video. Let's see. Okay, this is what the agenda for market capitalization. Okay, we are going to look for the introduction and what are the free websites will be there, and overall overview we are going to look, and about the market capitalization, the types, and what about the limit for each and every types. Okay, and where you are going to look in the website. Okay, as well as overall summary. The final video of this one, you could know which sector you're going to invest, large capital sector or medium or small cap or mid cap. Okay, which capital related company you're going to invest, you can take a decision of it. Okay, once complete this video. So for the market capitalization, in a sense, that is a total value of company stock. Okay, so normally people will say, what is market capitalization? The market capitalization, what's the value of that company stock? If the company has been listed in a stock exchange, okay, we are going to value it, what will be the company stock at present. That is what market capitalization. And normally in a theoretical point of view, we are dividing for 4 types. Okay, micro capital, small capital, medium capital, as well as large capital. Okay. As a beginner, if you know the fundamental analysis, suppose if you may not know the fundamental analysis, this is the first thing you need to identify respective market capitalization. Once you look, it will come under micro cap or small cap or medium cap or large cap. Okay, you need to identify those things. So these are all the criteria if it's available. Micro cap, in a sense, below $250 million, that's related to micro capital. And related to $250 million to $2 billion, in a sense, that's for small capital. And medium capital, in a sense, $2 billion to $10 billion, as well as large capital will be $10 billion to $200 billion. Okay, this is what World Stock Exchange, they are fixing for micro cap and small cap and medium, as well as for large capital. Now we are going to look for as per the India. Okay, and what is a slab is available for micro cap. Micro cap fund, it's related to 50 to 500 crore. That means 50 crore to 500 crore. Not for rupees 50. Okay, that's a 50 crore to 500 crore. That's for micro cap. And small cap will be below 5,000 crore. And mid cap will be 5,000 to 20,000 crore. Okay, 5,000 crore to 20,000 crore. And large cap will be 20,000 crore and above. So these are all amount related to crores. Okay, as per India, this is what the slab they have fixed as per the capitals. Okay, now we can see because I already told you, I already invested for Emirates NBD for UAE. Okay, now let me see how we can see for the market capitalization. Okay, this is what TradingView website. This website will be the free website. Okay, if you want to renew, in a sense, you can renew it, no issue. Okay, you have to pay for a certain amount. Now it's available. I have selected for Emirates NBD. From here, what is a company you require? From here you can go and type it, it will come. Okay, so I already selected here Emirates NBD. Okay, Emirates NBD back. I'm selecting from here. Okay, and from this one it will show for the chart. What will be the chart? The current price will be 16.5, and from the right side corner you can look metrics that's available, right? And from here you can click, and for the financials, it's available for the financials. Okay, this financials. Okay, from here it's available, right? This financial, you can click over here. It will come this way. Okay, from here you can look. It's available for market capitalization. It's showing for 104.22 billion. Okay, 104.22 billion AED, the market capitalization. So you can go to our chart, what's available from here, 102. So it's coming under from the slab. It means what? Large cap fund. It's a large cap. This is for large cap related company, that's Emirates NBD. Okay, so this will be the trading view, will show you for a listed stock which has been available for India and different part of the world. Okay, not only for UAE, different part of the world is available. So right now we are looking for UAE stock market, so that's the reason I am showing this example. And from here it's available for India also. Once you are closing this one, from here you can go, okay, from the left side corner. Then from here you can select for the markets, and under this you can select for the countries. Whatever country is required, you can select it. Okay, suppose you belong to some other country. So I have selected for UAE, that's the reason it's showing for particular stock for Emirates NBD. Suppose if you want some other stock in a sense, you can look over here. So right now we are looking for market capitalization. So once you are clicking this one, financials, it will show under the overview market capitalization. This is related to large cap fund. Okay, as the same way you can select some other, even for in real estate, you can select any other, and whatever you can go for DFM. Okay, under market watch you can go. From here it's available for select sector. Okay, under here if you are going for real estate, in a sense under real estate it's available for Al Dayar. Okay, whatever you want you can type it over there, it will show you. Okay, example, Dayar. Okay, Dayar development, it's coming. So simply you can click as overview. It's showing over here for the chart what will be the price movement. As the same way you can go from here, select for the financials. It's showing for 3.16 billion. Okay, so 3.16 billion related to which cap fund? Okay, 3 billion in a sense related to medium cap fund. Okay, this is a way you need to check it, all those things, which related company this one, the cap, which cap related company this one, you can filter out. What is the use of it? Why we need to check for this market capitalization? It's related to mid cap or small cap or large cap. What's the purpose? Why we need to look for this capitalization in a sense? That is what we are looking over here from the next. This one, this is a purpose. Okay, small cap and mid cap. What's the difference between these three? Small cap, in a sense, it's very riskier. Okay, if you're investing for a small cap fund, it's very riskier. For the mid cap fund, it's more riskier in a sense, slightly more riskier while compared with small cap. And large cap fund, in a sense, it's low risk. Okay, and while compared with liquidity and volatile in a sense, the stock price movement, okay, that we call it as volatile. So if you're investing in your money for small cap fund, it's low liquidity and high volatile. Suppose if you're investing your money in mid cap, in a sense, moderate volatile, and both will be moderate volatile, that is, a movement is also moderate, as well as money which you are getting is also moderate. Okay, the flow liquid, in a sense, what? Whenever you are expecting to exit the market, you need to get back your money, that we call it as liquid. Okay, the liquidity is available for the particular stock, in a sense, that time only you can invest. There is no seller is available, buyer is also not available, in a sense, there is no liquid, right? So such kind of cases, if we are investing in a sense, we will not get our money. So small cap fund, most of the investors may not invest, okay, only few of the investors. That's the reason they are giving us low liquidity, okay. In a market, the buyer and seller may not be available, what we are expecting in a sense, the active buyer and seller not available. It's called, we can say as less or low liquidity or less liquidity, okay, as well as high volatile. From here, where the price will be high volatile, we can make a profit, right? So this information all the investor may not know. Okay, the small cap fund, they will think that it is a very riskier one. Why we need to? Because some of the company, they will be listed. If you are looking for a DFM on daily basis, from here they will announce the news delisted. If you are looking here, in a sense, go for DFM website, okay, and come here. From here you can go for listed securities, as well as from here also you can look. Okay, let me select over here. See here, it's available decline 19. Okay, the trade will be decline 19 and delisted will be showing here. Normally in the last video also I have shown over there. Let me show you. Okay, if you are going for brokers, the exchange, then click for listed securities. It will show over here. Okay, from here you can click for show only delisted companies. In a sense, it will show you some of the companies have been delisted. And if you're trading on daily basis, in a sense, you will get the notification for 5 days. A respective company will be delisted due to this reason, that reason, something like that. Okay, so that is what we are telling over here. Small cap fund, always riskier one. Okay, so now you can look here. So that's the difference between these. And for large cap fund will be a high volatile, that is a low volatile and high liquidity. High liquidity in a sense, most of the investors, they will invest over there. So the liquidity, there is no problem. Whenever you want to sell your share, in a sense, automatically in the market the buyer will be available. Okay, so whenever you need a money, you can take back from the market. Whenever you want to buy a stock, in a sense, the seller is also available. From them you can buy your stock. It's for large cap, okay, large cap companies. As well as for the growth, if you're looking in a sense for small cap, that's very high. Okay, small capital sector will be, the growth is very high. If you're looking for JP Power for Indian stock, okay, earlier it will be 9, almost 3 or 4 months back. Right now it will be 18 to 19, right? Within 5 months the growth will be high. But if we need to look for the potential of the stock under the small cap, and after that we need to invest. Okay, so the growth will be very high. For mid cap will be moderate only, the growth moderate to high. It means what? Sometimes it will increase, sometimes will be moderate, sometimes there is no movement at all. Same price only for 10 fills, 1 fill, something like that, 5 fills, like that in UAE market. As the same way for Indian market also. For large cap, if you are looking in a sense, low growth potential, and it will gives you stable return. Okay, stable return in a sense, you will get for dividend, you will get for bonus shares. If you are investing for large cap, you not required to trade on weekly or monthly basis and all. Okay, automatically some stocks they will give you in a quarter basis for dividend. Okay, some stock it will give you in a yearly basis for bonus shares. Okay, sometimes it will happen for stock split also. Many advantages will be there, okay, for the large cap fund, but the growth will be low only. And who will trade for small cap? In a sense, aggressive investor. Okay, who's the aggressive investor? One who take for high risk, that person call it as aggressive investor. Okay, I'm having money of 1 lakh. Okay, I want to earn, I will take a risk for 100%. Risk is not a matter at all. I need only for return, I need only for money. In a sense, that kind of person we call it as aggressive investor. with the high volatile, they will make for return in a market. So that person we are calling as aggressive investor. Those people will invest in a small cap fund. Okay. And mid cap in a sense moderate risk, and some retirement people will be there, students also going to invest, and those people will get fear of it, right? They are getting money from savings, and for students, if you're considering in a sense, they are getting money from their parents. So if they are losing in a sense, they will not get back. So such kind of person will invest in mid cap fund. So mid cap fund will be a moderate risk. Okay, if you're investing under the mid cap related company in a sense, it will be a moderate risk. And for large cap conservative investors, okay, it's a low level, no risk only. Okay, sometimes who's a conservative investor in a sense, the person will think that okay, I can get for a dividend bonus, okay, not required to trade often and all. Okay, that kind of mentality. And some people will be there, okay, the market will go up, that time I can sell. Okay, the market will come down after 20% or 30%, that time I can sell. This kind of mentality, okay, they will think that the market will go up, that time we can buy. So they will have for two mentality, that kind of person for it as conservative investors. Okay, so they will not expect for more growth for their fund, because automatically they are getting for other benefits, right? Bonus as well as for dividend and all. So that kind of investor we call it as conservative investor. So you can think that under these three levels, you are an aggressive, or you are a conservative, or else you are a moderate. Okay, based on your fund, you can decide, okay, which type investor you are, and after that you can invest for the particular company. Okay, let's see. So these are all the major difference for small, mid as well as for large cap companies. So let me calculate. We are telling market capitalization, market. Okay, now you can understand the basic. What is market capitalization? What's the difference between these three? Okay, now you can understand if you're holding for 10,000 dirham or 10,000 rupees. Okay, $10,000, whatever it may be, you're holding for the money. Now you can determine as your which kind of investor. Now let's see how we can calculate for this market capitalization. Okay. So the market capitalization, the formula will be total number of outstanding shares into current market price per share. Okay, let me show you. From here, it's available because I have been calculated for Emirates. Okay, that is Emirates NBD. Okay, over here, suppose this websites, if they are giving for a wrong result in a sense, you have to go for respective exchange. Then you have to check it over there. From here, see the market capitalization. It's available 104.22. Okay, so I already told you with the formula, right? So what's the formula I told you? This is what the formula, right? Total number of outstanding shares. So where we can get for outstanding shares, the outstanding shares we can get it from here. Go to statement. Okay, from the bottom you can come here. The statement we will discuss for the next video and all. Okay, right now we are focusing only for the market capitalization. That's the reason not including. I am not explaining over here, but sure I will explain to you this one. Under this, you can go for balance sheet. Okay, under the income statement, you can click for income statement. From here, you can come. See here the outstanding shares. Okay, average basic shares outstanding as well as diluted shares outstanding. This is outstanding per share. It's available 6.32 billion, right? So this 6.32 billion, that is what we have written here. Total outstanding shares will be this one, 6.321. That. Okay, from here it's available. The outstanding shares will be 6.32 billion. So that is what we have written over here. Okay. 6.32 and current market price per share. Okay, what is the price it's trading under the market? If you're looking over here, it's available 16.50, right? So that is what we have written, 16.50. While you are multiplying these two, you are getting 104.28. Okay, so you can come to overview. 104.28 is coming. Okay, that is a point. So this is what the market capitalization. This is a way you need to calculate for the market capitalization, whether it's correct or not. Suppose while you're looking for trading view, it's showing some other figure, in a sense, straight away you can go for respective exchange, and from there, if you're checking, in a sense, it will show you what's the exact market capitalization, because sometimes it will commit some mistakes over here trading view. Okay, if there is any holiday and all coming, in a sense, it will not show you the exact market capitalization. Okay, these kind of errors will be occurred. So from there you can look over here what will be the market capitalization. Okay, I think now you can understand how much important for the market capitalization, and whatever the amount you are going to invest, in a sense, how you need to invest with the help of market capitalization. Okay, and for the next video, what we are going to look, the price earning ratio as well as for EPS. Okay, from here it's available, no, price earning ratio, dividend and EPS. These three part we will look how much it's important. Why they are giving for key facts, these are all the information has been given, because if the person is looking these 5 information, automatically they will invest. That's the reason they have given for key facts. Okay, these 5 or 6 informations. Okay, rest of the information we will look for the next video. Okay, I think this market capitalization will be understanding by everyone. If there is any query, you can leave a comment below. I will help you out. Okay, thank you friends. Thank you for watching this. Bye.